Hey guys, Sharon Garcia here, and I just wanted to take a minute to kind of talk about math. Math seems to be a subject area that a lot of parents and children struggle with. The way I like to look at math is it's a puzzle, and each step is critical to the next step. It's a subject area that builds on top of each other. The best formats that I like to use with math specifically is online learning platforms. These programs are specifically built so that the child has to master each level of math before they're able to go on to the next level. This is so important, especially when you compare it to a traditional classroom. In traditional classrooms, you're in a room full of other people, and if you don't understand something, it's very easy just to kind of be a fly on the wall and just barely get through it. But unfortunately, that's a spiraling disaster in the making, because if your child's not able to really understand the concept, then they're going to just struggle as the curriculum gets more and more in depth and complex. So with an online program, it's beautifully tailored to the individual child. So not only are they specific to your child, but each step is tailored so you master each point before you move on to the next. Now, if the child is struggling, they have help videos to help them work through the problem. You're able to, as a parent, find that point where your child is really struggling. And once you isolate the area that they're struggling with, it's easier to go online and research out exactly the formula to get through it. I mean, math always breaks down to a formula. It's not a matter of, I don't know how to do it, but it's a matter of you're not understanding the formula to get to the answer. I mean, it's a puzzle, and you just need to know the right way of getting there. So online courses really help you elevate your child to the next level. And then if they need help beyond that, there's also online tutors that you can reach out to, and different avenues to get those answers. But this is a crucial point that a lot of parents struggle with, especially in traditional classrooms. It's so easy just to skirt by, and it only leads to more problems down the road. So even if your child is still in a traditional classroom, I would definitely use these programs. They're not even that expensive if you want to just do an online course for your child. There's online games that you can do as well, but these programs are far superior to your traditional classroom textbook and worksheets. Your online, I mean, the colleges use it. A lot of these programs now are starting to integrate AI into their programming, so they're really able to target your child individually. We are living in the 21st century. Our online technology needs to be utilized, and math is a perfect example of how it can do that. Help videos along the way help break it down even more. Also, if you know the name of the math area that you're working with, it's easy just to plug that in to YouTube. There's tons of people out there that are throwing out different tutoring videos that really break down the problems step by step, and you can search that out and just get individualized help with your child. I stand 100% behind these online programs. I've been through them myself when I was in online college, and I personally know how important it is to master each step before moving on to the next one. But also, I have been using these programs for my children for the last 4 or 5 years now, and they're excelling in math. My son, who who's 15 is about to grade out of it and actually start taking college classes at the community college, and they too have online programs just like this. So if it not only helps them at younger levels, but these programs are utilized all the way through college level. So I advise you to check them out. I will put in the link below different online programs that you can look at that has math programs, and just take math step by step. And when your children start to get stressed out or upset about it, I always break it down to, it's like a puzzle. And the beautiful thing about math is there's always one answer that it can be. You know, it's not like it's an opinion question that can have many different answers. Okay, so because it's so black and white, you know that there's a formula that you have to follow through with it, and you stick with it. And so I encourage you to check out my link below and see the different programs that are out there. Math is vital in our day and age, especially with the computer age that we're in. So once you lock them in, you'll see for yourself. If you already use online programs, please talk about your experience down in the comments so you can help other parents too, and let them know what your opinion is of it. Have you used it? How long have you used it? Negatives, pros, cons, and let's start having a discussion about it, because I stand 100% behind it, and I'm also interested to know what your opinions are on it. So that's it today on math, and I will see you next time. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.